let me show you the reflection feature in the new Camtasia 2023. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so Camtasia 2023 has a reflection feature, which makes it look really professional and cool when you are doing screencast recordings. And you can see that I have it turned on right now. So I have it here on the screencast recording. You can do this on regular video as well. And you can see that I have the reflection turned on. If I turn it off, it looks like that. And then when I turn it on, it looks like this. Now where you find the reflection feature is in the visual effects tab. And you just want to scroll down until you see the reflection feature. I have it starred and it goes into my favorites. That saves time. So I've got my screencast recording here, and to actually make this even cleaner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop some of this stuff out because I don't like seeing all those icons down there at the bottom, and I don't like seeing all these icons here at the top. So I'm just going to crop that out, make this a little bit bigger here, center this. Some other features that you can do with the reflection is you can play around with the distance of the reflection. So you can see here if I go like this, it's going to go closer, and then if I go like this, it's going to go further out. So it's just a personal preference. You can have it like that. You can also play around with the opacity of things. So if you want to make it less see-through or more see-through. And if you want to revert back to things, just click this backwards arrow and it will revert back to whatever it was initially. So that's it. Nice, quick, and simple. The reflection feature, I think it's a great addition to the little touches. Previously, I had been always talking about the background shadow, but now I'm really liking the reflection feature in addition to the shadow as well. It's those small details that makes your video. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this video was cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.